Hello and welcome back to another Tax Tip Tuesday. Last week we discussed accessibility. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to locate tax forms as well as how to interact with a virtual tax assistant if you are unsure of which tax form to complete. This is probably the most important and widely used tax tip, so I want to ensure that you feel prepared. So let's get started. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and typing www.irs.gov into the address bar. On the home page, you'll see a Forms and Instructions tab towards the top of the web page. Go ahead and click this. Right away, we are greeted by a search engine and a list of popular forms, including the Form 1040. Should your form be listed, select the blue hyperlink connected to the desired form and a printable PDF version will appear. If the form you require is not listed, you have the option of searching for it using the search box or browsing numerically. To do this, click the blue button that reads List All Current Forms and Instructions. Navigating back to our Form and Instruction webpage, I want to take a moment to show you a few additional resources located on the left-hand side of the webpage. The first being Prior Year. Much like on the previous page, you can search for or browse a list of tax forms that are associated with previous years. To search for a specific year, open up the list of forms by clicking List All Prior Year Forms and Instructions. Then type the desired year in the search field. Click Search and the list will filter out every year except the one you chose. The next available option on our menu is Order Forms and Publications. Here, you can submit a request to have forms mailed to you should you prefer a physical copy. Now, let's explore the Virtual Assistant option available on the IRS website. This tool provides an array of self-guided assistance that is designed to point you in the right direction when answering any tax-related questions. One such question might be, which form should I use to file my taxes? Well, let's answer this. Begin at the IRS homepage. Click on Help, which is located on the top of the page. Next, click Interactive Tax Assistant on the left-hand side of the web page. Here, you'll find a range of topics. Select the one you want, and then the Interactive Tax Assistant will guide you through a series of questions and provide customized answers based on your situation. Please be aware that this service does not replace professional tax help. Rather, it is designed to provide you with basic tax assistance. In just a few simple steps, you can find the tax forms you need and access a virtual assistant on the IRS website. It's a valuable resource for taxpayers whether you're looking for forms, seeking answers to common questions, or exploring various tax topics. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week.